Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. And today we've got a stir fry sauce you can prepare in advance, keep in the fridge for 2-3 months, and every time you want to stir fry anything, ginger black fungus, gaprow, pad see ew, you just put 2 or 3 tablespoons of this sauce, job done. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you the stir fry sauce and all this mixture, very simple. Another simple dish again. You can use this sauce just for 2 many dishes like stir fry or even stir fry noodle. Okay. Okay, first ingredient is oyster sauce. We put half a bottle of soya oyster sauce, about 300 ml. This one sweet soya sauce. We put 3 tablespoons sweet soya sauce. Light soya sauce 100 ml. Palm sugar 1 tablespoon, and mixture of crushed garlic, black pepper, and coriander root. Okay, for this mixture you can check out from that video. Okay. Right, and then let's start. First we warm the pot. We use the vegetable oil. Okay, half of this, and heat it first. When the oil getting hot, we put this one and we fry it. And now you can smell all the mixture. You can smell it, Kilan? Yes? And the color change to a little bit brown. Look the color, look golden brown the color. Then we put oyster sauce 300 ml or half a bottle of this one. And you fry it, and 100 ml of light soya sauce. Three tablespoons of sweet soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. And we add water, 100 ml. Just the normal water, cold water or hot water also can. And then you keep stir fry.
How long would you
Boil it, fry it. About 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Until you make sure this one, everything cooked. Yeah, you keep it boil about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, this the stir fry sauce. You can make just too many dishes. For example, if you want to fry with chicken with chili, you use this sauce about 3 to 4 tablespoons for one portion, and then you can keep in the fridge. The cold room can last about a few months. If you want to make more or double size, double of the portion of this one, just add everything double. Okay, พอแล้วนะ
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed that, and don't forget you can keep this in the fridge for a couple of months, and this is what all Asian restaurants use, some variation of this recipe for their base sauce, so it just saves so much time. And obviously for dishes like gaprow or nam pig pao, they're adding other ingredients, adding chili, adding more of this, adding more of that. So yeah, enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.